जय श्री राम सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। So hello friends, this time I am just in front of the Dasrath Mahal, which is located just between the Hanumangari temple and Ram Janmabhoomi birthplace temple. So it is also one of the ancient and unique palace and temple which is located here in Ayodhya. So many more devotees and pilgrims are always coming to seek the place inside the temple of Lord Sri Ram and Hanuman along with all over the families of Dasrath. So let's see the name of Lord Rama and Ram Chopai written on the temple door and every wall inside the temple. So let's see. So we can feel I am also feeling so better after coming inside this temple, and always used to chant the name of Lord Ram inside the temple. So let's see. So even Dasrath Mahal is a beautiful palace in the heart of Ayodhya, and the palace where Lord Ram and his families lived most of their life. And then after that Lord Ram and his siblings also spent their entire childhood and youth in this palace only. So we can see I just came inside the temple. Inside the temple it is also looking so unique and good. We can feel and see the wall decoration and the temple decoration inside the temple. So there are the idols of the Lord Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman along with the Dasrath also. So Dasrath idol is with the dear wives such as the Kausalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi also. So it is also looking so beautiful temple here. So apart from that, the Bhavan comprises a shrine within with Sri Ram, Devi Sita and Lakshman idols, and these deities symbolizes dharma, moral integrity and devotion that we learnt about through Ramayana. So their present in heritage monument brings together the divine and legendary heritage of Ayodhya's spiritual and historic landscape. So King Dasrath was Lord Rama's father and founder of the Ayodhya. So we can see, and the vibes of the temple is also so better after coming in the temple. So then after that the magnificent palace was home to the legacy of King Dasrath as a king and Lord Rama as a child and youngster along with their siblings. So one can find saffron cloths, monks singing and reciting the mantras and holy name of Lord Ram inside the mahal and temple. So these are the main idols and shrines in the temple. We can see these are the idol of Dasrath along with their family, along with his family of Kausalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi, and this is the idol of Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman. And there is also one photograph which is the picture of the young Ram. So after coming inside the temple I am also feeling so better. So lots of priests and Brahman used to stay in the temple and chant always to the name of Ram. So let's see, and everywhere the Ramcharitmanas sloka written on the temple wall at every corner. So it's a very unique and amazing design inside the temple, and also these are the idol of the Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman. That right now I am looking at them and I got a seek and bless of Lord Sri Ram along with Sita and Lakshman also. So really it's a very unique feelings inside the temple. And before that already I visited the Ayodhya Ram birthplace temple, Hanumangari temple, Kanak Bhavan and so many ancient temple which is located in Ayodhya. So still I have to visit one temple which is Narayan Swami temple, which is located just in front and after the Ayodhya Dham junction. So listen some story from the storyteller saint who is giving satsang to everyone inside the temple. So let's feel and listen to him. He is a young Brahmin who is providing the satsang and a story regarding the Ram and every religious story. And behind him there is also one photograph you can see, and in the photograph there is a photograph of the Raja Dasrath along with their 4 children of love with like Sri Ram, Bharat, Shatrughan and Lakshman. So I am also feeling so glad after coming inside this temple. So let's feel and listen the spiritual story by the Brahmin. So once again, thank you so much and chant together with me the name of Lord Ram. Siyavar Ramchandra ki jai, Jai Siya Ram ji ki jai, Siya Ram, Jai Bajrangbali.
Jai Siya Ram.
So let's see. There is also one of the unique sant in the temple. We can see it is also a very great sant. So I also took a bless and seek of this sant and priest Brahmin inside this temple who is always giving the bless of Lord Sriman to every devotees who are coming and taking the bless of the sant also. So he is also a very great sant and I also took a bless of him also here at this time. So we can see how he is also. So बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, जय श्री राम जी की. Lots of devotees are coming and taking the bless of him. So जय श्री राम जी.